So, hello kids. Today we'll be learning with Boss Baby about lungs.
Hello.
Yeah,
We
so
are going to learn about breathing and the lungs, Boss Baby.
okay, so respiratory system. So,
the respiratory system is a large group of tissues and organs in your body that work together to allow you to breathe.
Wow, that's very important to breathe, isn't it, Jessie?
Good afternoon, dear Boss Baby.
Yes. So, you know oxygen.
Oxygen.
Body needs a constant supply of oxygen.
Your body needs a constant supply of oxygen.
Oxygen
is one of the main gases that make up air. And animals and plants need it to survive. Our bodies get this oxygen by breathing. We inhale or breathe it.
Yeah.
Air.
In this way, we take oxygen. Now, inhalation.
We inhale or breathe in air through our nose
and mouth.
When we inhale, the diaphragm,
which is the muscle
that separates our lungs from our
abdomen, moves downward. And this causes our lung to expand and become large. The
muscles between the ribs also help to expand the chest when we breathe in. This causes the air to flow into the lungs.
Absolutely. See, this is the thing is inside it entering into the lungs. Here is a diaphragm that comes down and air goes inside the lung. That's really good, isn't it?
Why?
Yeah, it needs oxygen we need.
How do we breathe?
So it's in the trachea. It goes
trachea. Primary
bronchi.
Secondary bronchi.
That is bronchioles. This is the structure of lung.
How do we breathe? When you breathe in, air travels through your nose and mouth. This warms the air, which helps to stop it from
irritating your lungs. Then air travels down
your
windpipe or trachea. Trachea then splits into two white tube on right and left bronchus.
The trachea splits into two white tubes called the left or right
bronchus.
One bronchus goes into the left lung and the other goes into the right lung.
So they divide and goes to two lungs. Okay, nicely. Then
let's look inside the lungs together.
So this is the thing. This is the thing. See? All the bronchus and bronchioles.
Like it.
So it is the inside.
Amazing. The bronchus branches off into smaller tubes inside the lungs, like the roots of a tree. The smallest
of these are called bronchioles. So at the end of bronchioles, there are air sacs
called
alveoli.
These alveoli are covered in blood vessels. These blood vessels pick up the oxygen from the alveoli. They transport the oxygen
in the blood and carry it around the body to be used
by all different cells in the body.
Can you imagine? That's really very important. Yes. So, exhalation. What is exhalation? Breathing out.
Breathing out.
This exhalation is...
Exhalation or breathing out is when air is released from the lungs. The diaphragm relaxes and moves up, which pushes air out of the lungs. Your rib muscles also relax, which makes the space in your chest smaller, pushing air out of the lungs.
So this is the thing, is your diaphragm then push the lung up And all the air from this comes out like this.
I don't know how to take it out.
No, it automatically, the diaphragm muscle, they push.
It does not happen.
It happens.
I
Now,
don't believe it happens.
after your body used up all oxygen,
from the blood is carrying
carbon dioxide,
which it needs to get rid of. The carbon dioxide is carried in the blood vessels to the lungs. It moves from the blood vessels to the alveoli, which can be breathed out. You breathe out in the reverse order that the air came in.
Okay, so breathe out the carbon dioxide. So, can you see that all from blood vessels, this all the carbon dioxide goes in the alveoli and go out. And when you breathe in, oxygen come in alveoli, and from there goes inside the blood. So, it just comes in oxygen, goes out carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide we don't need.
Fun facts about lungs. Your lungs are located in your chest, inside your ribs. We have 2 lungs, but they are not the same size, like the way your eyes
and the ears are equal in size. Left lung is smaller than right.
So this allows room from your heart.
Yeah, there is a heart, that is why left is smaller.
Wow.
Yeah, right is bigger. Okay, so
rib cage.
You know your rib cage. You can feel, isn't it, Jasmine?
Rib cage. Your lungs are
protected by rib cage.
Your rib cage is made of
12 set of ribs.
Which connect to
at the back in the spine.
At the spine and go round
your lungs
to protect them. You cannot see your lungs, but you can feel them expanding. If you put your hands
on your rib cage, you can feel the lungs expand, and then when you inhale.
Where is my rib cage?
This is the rib cage you have, Jessie. Oh, that is just I forgot to see. What is that? Yeah, so place both your hands on your rib cage and deeply inhale. Do you feel the rib cage expand?
No.
Exhale.
Now exhale, and you should feel your rib cage becoming smaller. I don't
isn't
feel
it?
that.
Yeah, we can make it.
Your lungs are very important.
Okay.
Our lungs allow us to breathe. Keeping your lungs
healthy is very important.
The best way to do this is not to smoke. Smoking damages many parts of
our body,
but
especially the lungs.
Why is it bad?
Because it will damage your lung.
How quickly do we breathe? Adults need to breathe around 15 times
a minute
at rest.
Childs need breathe more frequently than adults.
Need to breathe more frequently than adults, usually around 20 times per minute.
We breathe more quickly when we exercising.
Quickly when we are exercising. This is because your muscles work much harder when we exercise.
And our body use more oxygen to cope with the extra demand. Your
breathing increases.
Yeah.
And that is done for today. Boss Baby learned that.
So
we learned it.
We learned today breathing and lungs.
Baby.
Our breathing with Boss Baby. Hope you all enjoy.
And you loved it.
Yeah, very good. Bye bye.